Hi, I am Bal. Welcome to Hands-on Develop. Today we are diving into Node Version Manager or NVM, the ultimate tool for managing multiple Node.js versions on your system. Okay? So, in my last session also I have told you about the NVM where I showed you how I have switched the one version of Node.js to another version. And in today's session, how this meeting will happen, we'll see in the live. Okay, then let's get started. So, be- before getting into the installation process, okay, what is Node Version Manager or NVM? It's a simple and powerful tool that allows you to easily install, manage, and switch between different versions of Node.js on the same machine. This is super useful for developers working on projects requires different Node.js versions. Let's say suppose you're working on multiple applications. Let's say you're working with A, B, and C. So A version, okay, a project A is working with the lowest version with Node 14, and let's say suppose the B project they're using the Node 17th version, and the project C, which is recently added uh, in your bucket list, and that particular project is using Node 22nd, 22 or 22nd version, the latest version. Then how are you going to manage the version? Okay, in today's session, I'm going to tell you that. Okay, so this is the topic which we're going to discuss, which is Node Version Manager. Okay, now that said, let's get started. So, the first and foremost thing which you need to do is you need to install your application. I have already got a link. Okay, I'll share it to people for sure. Okay, here this is the GitHub URL where you'll find the NVM, and here you have multiple versions, and you can see only the single version here. If you are using the Windows operating system, I suggest you to download the nvm setup.exe. Okay, now a setup file has been getting downloaded. Setup file is getting downloaded. Now my application got installed. Now let me check my Node version. I'll just open my command prompt here. Now just zoom it to make sure it's visible. Now I say nvm hyphen version. It will give you the Node Version Manager version, or you can use nvm hyphen v also. This will give you a Node version which is right now which you got installed. Now want to see, sir, we just talked about the version. So what are different versions available? Okay, we have a simple command called nvm list. nvm list. nvm list. I think it's available. nvm list. It is available. Let's click on enter. Now you can see the list of versions available to install here, and here you can see the current version and later LTS, which is long term support version. Is long term support version. Right? Now you want to install a specific version. Let's say suppose I want to install 22.9.9.0. I want to install 22.9.0. Okay, for this, what I'll do, nvm install 22.9.0. 22.9.0. Now you can see that it is getting downloaded from the internet and the node version was 22.9.0 and it is installing in my device. We'll just it'll take some couple of minutes. Now you can see it is got installed. Now it is also given that if you want to use NVM, okay, this particular version, you can say NVM use. So before seeing this, okay, I'll give it one more command, NVM list. Before we give an list available. Now when you say NVM list, so it will display what are the node versions available in your system. Right now, we have installed only one version, which is 22.9.0. That is the version it is showing up here. Okay. Now, the next one. Okay. But how, let's see. Okay. We said, okay, Node has been installed. We check the version. Node space -v. So it is saying Node is not written as an internal action command. So just we said, okay, that we have installed in Node. Here we have not used our Node version yet. For this, we have to give a command nvm use nvm use 22.9.0 22.9.0. Now you are using Node version and so. And now again I will say node -p. Now if you could able to see, it's showing that Node 22.9.0 has been available for us. Okay. Now I want to install the Node 16th version. Okay. Now you can just simply say nvm install. You don't worry, if you don't know the specific version, you can just give nvm 16. Okay. What is the available latest one for the 16? It will pick up it up and it will install it. Now you can see I got Node 16 version. Now we'll check another command. Again, the previous command nvm list. Now it's able to see two versions. And here you can see this is the current version you are using. And here which version it will be displayed as star. When you say it's star before the version, that means you are using that particular version. Now I want to switch this. I want to use the 16 version. So nvm use 16.20 20.2 16.20. Now if I use the node version again, now it will show the 16.20.0, and if I say nvm list, it will the star will switch it to 16. You can see this. Okay, and last I have told one more version which is now nvm node 17 nvm install 14 nvm install 14. It will just directly install 14 version of it. Now you can see. So maybe the version is not available. I will take it as 18. Sorry, I have given wrong command. Note 8. Now, if you go and type nvm list, now you're able to see three versions of Node. So see, you can see three versions. Currently, you are on the 2016.20.2. If you want to uninstall any particular version, then have give a simple command nvm install 22.9.0. Then what will it do? It will install your that particular node version. Okay. So this is a small topic. Okay, it's wide where you can switch between multiple node versions. Okay, manual node versions. Okay, and you can use NVM help to know the different commands in node version. If you want to upgrade or if you want to downgrade it, you reinstall it. Whatever be the versions for everything will be available in this command. Okay, and that's a quick guide to NVM with this tool. Managing node versions is very easy. If you found this video helpful, you may give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow developer friends, and also subscribe to and send developers. Thank you so much. That's it for the day, and don't forget to subscribe it. I'll definitely give you the details of your product. I'll give you all these commands in my description. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. Happy coding or happy learning.